In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change title and meta tags in Godaddy. To begin, log into your Godaddy dashboard. Once you are signed in, look for the website section. This is where you can manage the site you want to update. If you have more than one website in your account, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid editing the wrong site later. Next, click Edit Website, or in some versions, Edit Site. This will open the visual editor for your website. Think of this as the main workspace where you can adjust content, design, and important page settings. Wait for the editor to fully load so all of the controls are available. Once you are inside the editor, go to the right-hand sidebar menu and click the Website tab. This section contains key settings related to your site and individual pages. If you do not see it right away, scan the sidebar carefully and look for the area connected to website management rather than page content blocks. From there, locate the page title field, which may also be labeled as the meta title. This is the text that helps identify your page in search results and browser tabs, so it is important to make it clear and relevant. Enter your custom header text into that field box. As you type, keep your title specific to the page and easy to understand. A simple, accurate title usually works best. After updating the page title, find the gear icon, which is the settings icon next to the page name. Click that icon to access the page settings connected to the title and metadata area. This is an important part of the process because it lets you confirm and manage the page-specific details correctly. When you are finished, click Done to save your drafts. This ensures that your changes are kept in the editor. Saving your draft is important because if you leave the page without doing this, your updates may not be stored properly. That is the full process for changing the title and meta tag settings in Godaddy. Follow these steps carefully. Review your text before saving, and your page information will be updated smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.